It's one of my favorite go-to blocks because I'm able to deliver a restoration within minutes and not have to worry about whether it stands out or doesn't fit. And the patients love it because it's fast. They're in and out. We're able to prep them, design and mill, and deliver the restoration in a very short time. The great thing is that some of the Vita products come in the multichromatic blocks, so you're able to really cut the restoration very quickly on your mill, quickly polish it up and seat it, and it looks like a natural tooth because of the step down of the color. Vita Dynamics is a really unique hybrid ceramic with a dual polymer ceramic network structure. I tend to get more of the multichromatic blocks just because it allows a color gradient to go through, and it really looks like a natural tooth, and it beautifully shines up when it's done without the need for a furnace, which is really nice because it allows me to go really fast and provide beautiful restorations in a very short time. I have different sizes of Trellex for it. I really like this material because it's beautiful. It's polychromatic. It is very tooth-like. It has a beautiful integrated shade gradient to reproduce the natural play of colors. I love the Mark II blocks for onlays or inlays. Vita Suprinity is a zirconia reinforced glass ceramic restoration, which I love using, especially in the aesthetic areas, because it's just beautiful. It is definitely ideal for anteriors. We've used a lot of this in there's crowns or veneers in the front with some staining, and we're able to make some amazing restorations that look just like natural teeth.